Once upon a time, in the enchanted realm of Luminescia, there lived a young dreamweaver named Elara. Luminescia was a magical land that brimmed with radiant colors, shimmering waters, and skies ablaze with shooting stars. It was a place where dreams were woven into reality, and every aspiration had the potential to be fulfilled. Elara had always possessed an extraordinary gift. With her nimble fingers and vibrant imagination, she could craft intricate tapestries that captured the essence of hope, joy, and perseverance. Each thread she wove represented a story, a symbol of the dreams that people carried within their hearts. One day, a thick fog of doubt and negativity engulfed Luminescia. The once glowing skies turned murky, and the vibrant colors of the realm began to fade. The inhabitants grew despondent, their dreams clouded by uncertainty and fear. Elara, witnessing the decline of her beloved realm, knew she had to take action. With unwavering determination, Elara embarked on a quest to reignite the spirits of Luminescia. She gathered her courage and set out to explore the farthest corners of the realm, searching for the elusive source of the gloom. Along her journey, she encountered various obstacles and faced moments of self-doubt, but her positive mindset never wavered. As Elara delved deeper into the heart of darkness, she stumbled upon the Gatekeeper of Negativity, a formidable creature whose only purpose was to sow seeds of doubt and despair. The Gatekeeper reveled in his ability to cast shadows over the dreams of others, but Elara was undeterred. With a glimmer of hope, Elara engaged the Gatekeeper in a battle of wits and resilience. Every time he tried to extinguish her positive mindset, she responded with unwavering determination and unwavering faith. She refused to let negativity dictate her path and held firm to her belief that dreams had the power to illuminate even the darkest corners of the world. Through her unwavering positivity, Elara managed to unravel the secret to defeating the Gatekeeper. She realized that negativity thrived on attention and fear, and the key to breaking its hold was to focus on the light within oneself. Armed with this newfound wisdom, Elara unleashed a surge of positivity that enveloped Luminescia in a radiant glow. As the light spread, the realm was revitalized. The fog dissipated, and colors burst forth with newfound brilliance. The inhabitants of Luminescia rekindled their dreams and aspirations, inspired by Elara's unwavering positive mindset. They discovered that by nurturing their own positivity, they could overcome any obstacle and create a brighter future. Elara became a beacon of hope and an embodiment of the power of a positive mindset. Her tapestries, once symbols of individual dreams, now adorned the walls of every dwelling in Luminescia, reminding its inhabitants of the boundless potential they held within themselves. From that day forward, Luminescia thrived, and its people embraced the magic of positive thinking. They understood that challenges were merely opportunities for growth, and their dreams had the power to shape their reality.